Light is light. Let me say that again. Light is light. That can be hard light, soft light, sunrise light, sunset light, but light is light. How the light flatters your subject dictates if the quality of light is good or bad for the subject. This is why I don't mind using whatever light source I can to help light my subjects. In this video, I'm using harsh light in a white wall. This simple setup I tend to return to every so often as there's no escaping this blank canvas. It's important for me to put myself in these not so ideal situations to create images. Harsh light is not for all subjects.
All right, so you have to remember that your light, when you turn that way, is going to be all in shadows.
When working with natural, harsh light, it's important to get the subject to face the light source and have their face slightly elevated to eliminate raccoon eyes. It's important that the exposure on your background is the same as it is on your subject. This helps to create properly balanced exposed images. Without that, you will get a very underexposed background, which you may or may not want. But for me, in this photo shoot, I didn't want that in these images. Practicing creating images with harsh light allows me to be prepared to work in these types of conditions if I'm forced to do so. If a subject has challenging skin, for example, pimples, or they are older, then this would not be the ideal lighting situation for them. I have a video which I will link in the card above, which goes into more in-depth detail about shooting in harsh light. So in summary, use whatever light source you want to use, because when you're tossed into a particular situation, you may need to be flexible and you may need to know how to use more than just one simple light source, okay? So if you're used to shooting in sunsets, that's your thing, you love shooting sunsets, then try maybe just shooting in harsh light one day and see how that works for you. Being flexible and having all these different skill sets in your toolkit allows you to be very flexible and be prepared for any type of situation.
Bring your face a little bit more into the light. So turn your face that way, yeah. And then turn it a little bit more right there.